This video will go over how to input client orders off of pureromance.com into the client orders Google Sheet. So first you're going to go to pureromance.com and use our login information on our task training document. Once we log in, we will then go over to our orders tab and then order history. Search by the appropriate month. Let's go to January of 2021 and push search. We're then going to look for the orders that say U.S. Public Order. Only the ones that say U.S. Public Order, we'll click on it to pull it up. Once it loads, it's going to give us all the information we need. It's going to give us the client's name, which is Brandy Mathern, the date it was placed, 1/15/21, the products they ordered, along with the amount they paid. So you're going to take this info and go over into our client info Google Sheet and down to the tab that says Purchase History. We'll find the appropriate client, which is Brandy Mathern. Here she is. We'll go ahead and insert a line below or above, it doesn't matter. We'll type in her name. And then we'll go back to the order to see what products she ordered. She ordered a Kiss and a Coochie and Dirty French. So we'll go ahead and put those in. Dirty French Coochie, Dirty French Kiss. The date that she ordered, so we'll go back over and look, which was January 15th, and she paid $44. 1/15/21, and it was $44. For these orders, you do not have to worry about the shipping paid, just the products that they ordered, the date that it was purchased, and then their total, which can all be found right here. Products, total, date, and client name.